Hey guys, if you've ever been out and about and need Wi-Fi to get onto your laptop or iPad and there's none available, I'm going to show you an easy way to turn your iPhone into a personal hotspot. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone personal hotspot, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. So in order to do this, we're just going to go into our settings app. And you see should be towards the top here, Personal Hotspot. We want to click on that. Now, at the very top here, you'll see Allow Others to Join. You just want to toggle that on so that you can join that Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, it will ask you on the device to allow that or not. So you have the option, if somebody sees that and somehow gets your password, you can do that. And then below this, you'll see Wi-Fi password. Now, if this is the first time that you've signed into this, it'll be some generic bunch of numbers and letters to put in there. You can change that to something easy to remember if you just click on that. And then you can delete that and change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna pick something super easy. You can make it something a little bit more secure than this. It has to be at least 8 characters. So we'll make it Alex1P34. Okay, then you click Done. And that's the password that you need to enter. And if you ever forget that, you can always open this back up and see the password there. And then from there, you just want to pull down on the top right-hand corner of your screen to bring in your control panel. And you see up in the top left-hand corner all of your connection availability. You click on that, and then where it says Personal Hotspot Discoverable, you want to make sure that that's toggled on. If it says off, that means nobody can see your Wi-Fi. So you want to just toggle that on. And now I can continue using my iPad or laptop, getting on the internet, doing whatever I need to do. And it's connecting to my phone. Now keep in mind, it will be using the data from your phone to be able to connect that way. And we're just going to hop back over to my iPhone here. And you can see now at the top of the screen, there's this little 2 green like chain links that are linked together. That's saying that it's using your personal hotspot. So now it says Personal Hotspot 1 connection. That is the connection of my laptop. And with that, you're connected to the internet using your phone as a hotspot. I hope you found that, and of course I hope you enjoyed this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.